Hello. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today I am going to show you something cool. I'm going to show you how to paint strawberries, rose pink gold, and glittery. Okay guys, here's my strawberries. They look so nice, very vibrant red. I've already cleaned and washed them. So you're gonna need some white melted chocolate. I'm gonna stir this chocolate because it was kind of warm. You don't want your chocolate to be hot or warm. It can be like lukewarm, but here's the consistency you want. I'm just taking the spoon out and just pouring it so you guys can see the consistency that you need. Here, I'm just showing you how I dip my strawberry into the chocolate. I'm just rolling it in the chocolate and just dipping it on each side of the strawberry. After I finish dipping the berry, I just shake the excess chocolate off, and then I just transfer it on the parchment paper. Okay guys, here I'm just dipping the rest of my strawberries. You can fast forward or you can watch how I dip them, but I'm just dipping a few of them so you guys can see how I dip my strawberries. Here I just wanted to show you how I hold the green leaves, and I'm just showing you an example on if a leaf ever comes off. Just say for instance, I'm just gonna pull this leaf off because it's so flimsy, and then I'm just gonna insert a toothpick right in the center of the strawberry. It's the greenish part. And the toothpick doesn't have to be in very far. So at this point, I'm just dipping my strawberry in the chocolate. I'm dipping it all the way around, and I'm using the toothpick as like a substitute for the stem. Okay, so here I am showing you the silver hologram disco dust, and you can purchase this from Amazon. It's from Oh So Sweet. That's the company that sells it, but I did get it off Amazon, and I will put the link in the description. And this one is the rose pink gold. This one I love so much. It was my first time using it, and it's also by Oh So Sweet. And I also got it from Amazon as well. Okay, so to paint the berries, you're gonna need a soft bristle paintbrush, and I also purchased these from Amazon, but you can get these from Dollar Tree as well, or you can go to Walmart and purchase them as well. Okay guys, this is not water, this is vodka, and you will be using it to paint your berries. Here I'm just showing you the brush you're gonna need, and I'm just dipping it in the vodka. And after I finish dipping it in the vodka, I'm just gonna take it and put it in the rose pink gold and create like a paste. So basically I am just going back and forth. I'm just dipping my brush into the vodka, and then I'm just putting it in the rose gold dust, and I'm just stirring it and just mixing it and just creating a little paste so I can paint on the strawberry. Okay, so here's the fun part. Let's paint our strawberries. And guys, I'm just using up and down strokes. There's no right or wrong way to paint your strawberries. You do you. Just as long as you can get a nice first coat on your berry, then you will be okay. Here I'm just dipping my brush into the vodka just slightly, and then I'm just gonna brush the strawberry with the vodka. Okay guys, the benefit of using vodka is the vodka dries the paste really fast, and also if you have little oily spots, then the vodka will also take care of those oily spots, or like wet spots, spots of water. The vodka will dry those spots as well. Okay, so now that we have that first strawberry completed, that was just the first coat, we're going to start on some more strawberries. This strawberry was a bit damp. It had a little condensation on it, so I just took a paper towel and just pat it dry. Now I'm going to take my dry brush, and this one is also soft. The bristles is very soft, and I really wish I had a bigger brush. It would help out a lot. And I'm just going to take that brush and I'm going to dip it into the luster dust, and this is just the powder only, and we're going to go back over the strawberries. They are already dry, and we're just gonna brush the luster dust on each strawberry. As you use the powder covers any blemishes. As you can see, the gold lines in the strawberry, you can see them disappearing. So after your first coat, and then going back over your strawberries with the second coat using only the powder, this method right here makes your strawberry really pop. Guys, I am loving how my strawberries are looking. Oh my gosh, the color is so amazing. Look at the sheen. You can see the sheen. I can almost see my shadow in the strawberries, and this is only the second coat. Okay guys, this is the final time, which is the third time, that we're going to go over our strawberries with the luster dust. All right, now it's time for us to use our silver hologram disco dust. Okay guys, so we're basically going to repeat the same method that we used for the rose pink gold paste. Here we're just doing exactly the same thing. We're dipping the vodka into the disco dust, and then we're going to paint our strawberry. So after that first coat, we're going to move on using only the powder. So since the disco dust is like a glittery texture, we're going to have to pat the disco dust onto the strawberry. So here guys, as you can see, I'm using a bigger brush. Using a bigger brush helps out a lot because especially with this disco dust, you're able to like pat the disco dust onto the strawberry more easily, and the disco dust transfer onto the strawberry more easily as well. Okay guys, so this is our final product, and guys, I am so amazed at how our strawberries came out. I hope you guys was able to learn something from this video. I hope your strawberries is coming out fantastic. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to respond to them as soon as possible. Also, I included the links of all of the items that I use. I included them in the description, so guys, check that out. And also please subscribe.